Today we are going to create posters using Canva AI. Let's get started. Click on Canva AI. Click on image. Adjust the ratio and apply style if you want. And paste the prompt. Now your images are ready. Select the best one image. Click on image. First click on open in editor. Here you can add text, change the colors, font styles. Go back to the images, click on the image. Now click on make a poster. If you want more posters like this, then click on more designs. Here you get more options. Now go back to the images, click on the image and click on create an Instagram post. If this was useful, subscribe for more tutorials.